નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ થર્ડ, સબ્જેક્ટ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ, ચેપ્ટર 2, ધ પ્લાન્ટ ફેરી, પાર્ટ 2. Hello students, how are you all? So now we will continue our second part of the chapter The Plant Fairy. In the first part, we have learned that the children who went to the garden played the game named the Plant Fairy. In that game, the Plant Fairy gives order to the others to find different plants or touch different plants. So, in the first part, we have learned that the first plant fairy was Didi. So, she gave order to others to touch the plant, and they touched the different plants. Okay, and we have seen the different flowers and the trees and the plants also in the first part. Now continue with the second part. In the second part, we will see how the other children became the plant fairy and came to know something more about the plants and how do they differ from each other. Okay, so let's continue the story. Now the next plant fairy was Michael. So everybody was ready to get the order from the new plant fairy. So the Michael ordered them to touch the or pick out the different leaves. So then the Didi said that you don't have to pluck the leaves of the trees, but you can get the leaves that are fall on the ground. Okay, because leaves are the part of the plants, right? If we cut the leaves, then the plant will become dry. See, our part, you know the parts of our body, right? And if anybody hurt us in any of the part, then we will cry, na? Like that only, leaves are also the part of the plants. If we pluck the leaves, then plant will also get hurt. We can't see that the plant is crying or not. But when the plant is getting dry, it means it is hurt. Okay, so we should not cut the plants or cut the leaves also. Okay, so when the Michael ordered them to get the leaves of the plants, everybody ran to touch the leaves. There are many different types of leaves, but they are different. And how do they differ from each other? In their size, shape, and even color also. See, let me show you. See, this is the small leaf, and this leaf is a little bigger than it. So how these both leaves differ from each other? In their size. One is small and one is big. So these leaves differ from each other by their size. Okay, now see this one. This leaf is light green in color. So how this leaf differ from these both leaves? These leaves are dark green and this one is light green. So they differ from each other in colors. Okay, these two differs in size, this in color. Okay, this one is also bigger than all of these trees. So this is also differ in size. Now see these leaves. How these both leaves differ from each other? Shape. See, the shape of this leaf and this leaf, both is different. So these leaves differ in its shape. Okay, this is also of different shape, right? Now see in color. See these leaf. These both leaf are green in color, but in this leaf you can see green and red both the colors. So this leaf differ in its size, shape and color also. Okay, see this leaf. It is green and yellow in color, right? This one is also of two colors. So we can differ the leaves by its shape, size and color. See margins. Do you know all what is the margins? See, you can see here small veins, right? These are called the margins. In some leaves you can find the difference in the margins also. Means some leaves have big margin and some have less. See in these leaves the yellow lines are the margins of the leaves. So there is small margins, and in this one there are the big margins you can see. Okay, now you understood how the leaves differ from each other by its shape, size and color. So all the children ran and touched the different leaves, and they all when show the others leaves, then they said that we came to know for the first time that there are these many types of the leaves and how they are different from each other. So all the students were finding this very interesting way. So now the Amu and the Shabnam also shouted that we also want to be a plant fairy, because the Didi and the Michael both had become the plant fairy and enjoyed. So now they also want to be the plant fairy. But then the Didi said that today it is very late. We will come some other time and play the game. So students, you also observe the plants nearby you, and you can see all the different plants have different types of leaves. Some will be differ in the color, in size, even in shape also. Okay, so you can, if you will observe these plants, then you will know that there are so many types of leaves around us. So till here I think everybody has understood the importance of trees and plants in our life and the different parts or the difference between the leaves also. Thank you for joining us.